Urgent warning to every user using email. Urgent warning to every user using email. This is the last day to update your DKIM, SPF, and MARC records. To be in compliance with the new email sender requirements. If delayed, expect significant waiting times to connect. With support agents at email service providers, ESPs. Vague responses may leave your account in a state of uncertainty and potential suspensions pending review. Act promptly to secure your domain reputation before it's jeopardized beyond recovery. Many entrepreneurs wrongly assumed that this would only impact high-volume bulk emailers. It affects anyone who sends emails. That means you. This is not merely a security records update. It's a fundamental shift in the approach to email as both communication and marketing tools. This change is the first wave of change. If you don't make basic changes to your email infrastructure, you won't reach phase 2. It's your responsibility, not your email service providers, to ensure these security records are properly authenticated. Ensure the proper authentication of security records to guarantee the delivery, opening, reading, and response to your emails. No, I just updated our step-by-step guide on phase 1 of the new email sender requirements. If you depend on email in your business, you need to read it. It will tell you exactly what you need to do. Ask for it in the comments. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource. newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub. mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs dream lifestyle. Sukats.com. Connect with us at WeCare@newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.